It's January 27th. I'm out here doing a little coyote hunting this evening. It's about 4:45. Beautiful day. Wind's coming across my face here, so it should be pretty good for anything out in front of me. They'll kind of have the wind in their favor a little bit, so we'll see if this works out. I'm gonna start calling here in a little bit and see if I can squeak something up. Well, we got about 45 minutes left, so we still got a little time, but I haven't seen anything yet. Been calling about every 30 minutes maybe. Now's the time they should be coming out though, so we'll see. Well, came pretty close. Had at least one down there. Not sure what happened. I was trying to get the camera on him, and then I brought my gun up, and it looks like he was running away. And then he came across that little opening, and too quick to try to get the camera and the gun on him, but at least I saw something. It's a good sign. We'll be out a couple more times probably, so be looking for that. Thanks for watching as always. If you're new, subscribe and please hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next video.